Alright, coming to the end of another fun day at Tatro Machine. So it's 3:30 in the morning. Yeah, I'm not working too late again. I'm packing up shirts and stuff. We got new shirts in. And it actually does rain in San Diego. See, whoa, camera's getting wet. So that's a massive rainstorm for us. I got wet. Yeah, we got shirts in. We're working on a website. The new website is tatromachine.com. That's what it is. One of them. Anyway, these are the shirts. Got the new logo on it now. Look a little better. This is on the front of the shirt now. Let's see, the old shirts are over here. We have just a single color black on it. Now we got the full color on the front. Revised the logo a little bit. We got two color on the banner. Got highlight around the piston holes instead of just round holes. Looks a little better to me. Let's see, these are supposed to be beefy t-shirts. There's a gray one here. There we go. It says Hanes Beefy Tee on them. This one here was the standard Hanes shirt, and it's heavier than this one. So these beefy tees aren't any more than what we had before. So I put the price back down the same as what these ones were, even though they cost more. But oh well. Got to talk to my shirt manufacturer. Anyway, the logo looks really nice. There's a back view over here. We got pictures on the website too, but they're not as good. There's video, obviously. This is obviously a short sleeve. But anyway, there's what it looks like. This is a big shirt here. This must be a couple X's or something. XL, yeah, that's why. We got red in both short and long sleeve now. So people that wanted a short sleeve. Blue really looks nice on the red. Even though I hate red shirts, it looks really nice. So anyway, there's the nice blue on the back of that. I think it really pops off nice. Put our address down here. Some people want the address, especially guys overseas. So we stuck that on there for you. So there's a nice, good color shot of everything. Here's a black shirt over here. This is a long sleeve, obviously. This is same ones we had before, the Hanes, Maine Haiti. I think all of these shirts are the same shirt. I don't think they're any different than one or the other. Even though they sold me beefy tees, they're not. Oh, all the short sleeves are non-pocket, and all the long sleeves have pocket. So there you go. If you want a pocket, you got to take a long sleeve. That's the way they make them. I was trying to get front printed shirts with a logo on the front, so we wound up getting the this logo in color instead of a full size. So if you still want a full size logo on the front, let me know and I'll try it on my next order. Try again. Here's orange. I only got orange in short sleeve, in long sleeve, excuse me. These are basically work shirts, so I figure if you're working, you're gonna want long sleeves. So anyway, here's what that looks like. Backside view again. I don't know why they put white writing on that. I told them no white light. I want all black writing. The only exception would be on the black shirts. Black on black don't work, but I don't know, that could have been black there, so yeah. Whatever. You get what you get around here for stuff. These are not turquoise. They look like turquoise, but they're actually teal. So we'll be listing these on the website as teal. I think right now they're still turquoise, but when I order a shirt, they call this teal. Whatever. I don't think so, but they think what they want, right? Here's a medium one over here. So this is going to be me. This will be my shirt. Can't have it. Mediums are me. So there's what that looks like. And this is the other one I got. This is the one I've been wearing. I can't take the green spot, so this is turquoise and that's teal. Look pretty close. Mine's dirty. Oh well. So I'll have a new shirt on for me. Oh, white lettering again. Damn. See, you tell them to do stuff, they do it wrong. What do the other ones have on them? The reds have black, didn't it? No, they all have white. Damn. That sucks. I hate that. More complaints. Yeah, even the blue one has it. Oh, these are only in a short sleeve also. If you want long sleeves, put a want list on it. I think we got a want list on our website or comment area or something. I don't know. If you don't see what you like, put a comment in, let me know. I got to buy basically 6 of anything we want, so it'd be nice if you bought at least a couple. This sure looks like a purple shirt. It's supposed to be royal blue. It looks blue in the camera. It don't look blue in my sight. And we got white again. So, blue on blue is not too bad. It still holds up. So we got 2 color blue, a little bit lighter in the front, darker in the background. Makes it look bright. Pistons are hot contrasted, so you can see them a little better. Looks good. Let's see. It's going to be another one of my shirts, medium. Yeah, it's open. Oh, somebody tore the bag. Oh well, too bad. This would be another one of my shirts. There you go. That looks good. I like gray shirts. Hey, they got the writing right. Good. At least they got one of them right. There you go. I like it in black. What do you guys think? Black or white lettering? I like black. There you go. That looks good. I like that one. That'll be my shirt. Where's my shirt? My shirt goes in that pile. Large, big. We got these in long and short sleeve. Where's the other one at? What was this one? Ah, this one here was a short sleeve. Let's see, this is a Hanes. Long sleeve. There you go. Long sleeve. I'm starting to rain more. I don't like going home in the middle of the night in the rain. Actually, by the time I go home, it'll be daytime. Getting an early start on the day. 3:30. Alright, so that's what that looks like. So we got long sleeves on it. Very important, I guess. This is supposed to be tan. I don't know what the hell they think tan is, but this ain't tan. It's just like this isn't turquoise. I call this sand color. They call it tan. Whatever it is, the logo looks really nice on it. It really pops nice. Just like that red one does. But damn, I sure hate red shirts. So there you go. That looks really nice on there too. Really nice looking. That's the closest thing I got to white. I hate white too. So if you want white shirts, you got to really piss them on a lot because I don't like white. We only got all those in short sleeves. So the only thing that comes in a long sleeve is red, black, gray. I think that's it. I think everything else is short sleeve. So anyway, these are all the boxes. So we got a bunch of shirts. So got a few. It's like 300 shirts we bought. So there's some gray large. That's what we bought. This is red. It's red and orange mix. So those are the size we got. We got small, medium, large, extra large, 2X, 3X. Oh, we got 4X also. Yeah, 4X. No, we didn't get any 4X of those. Not in long sleeve. Oh, that's right. 4X only available in short sleeve. They didn't have any long sleeve. And no 5X. Oh, we forgot about these. These are called pullover hood things. Some people call these things hoodies, I guess. So I got these in large, XL, and 2X. These are expensive. They're nice and thick though, I like that. Get that white lining, but it's black shirt. Looks pretty nice. These are pullover style, no zipper. You got something here to strangle yourself with if you needed to. So there you go. Got a hood on it and everything. These would be nice winter shirt. I'll get Mario to try these out, see how they look. Maybe we'll get a picture with Mario in one. Anyway, I got those in only large, extra large, and 2X. So if you're bigger or smaller, put your want list in. What else do we got? I don't know. That's about it. Different colors. I think we get all the colors out. Yeah, there's blues. Blue and teal. There you go. Remember, these are teal. These are not that. It's not blue. It's teal. That fork's falling over. Yep. Oh, what else we got going on here? I don't know. Anyway, I got a lot of shirts going out. That's a big pile. So right now the website takes a credit card by authorized.net and then PayPal. So if you don't like that, send me an email. My email is on my card. It's online. Here's my information. Kill the light, you can read it. So there you go. Yes, my name is misspelled. Don't call me that. That would be the website right there. You want shirts? Go there. Here, I guess you can see it better. That there is where you go to buy shirts. That is where you want to communicate with me. If you want to pay by money order or cash or something on what if the website don't work for you, you need a shirt, email me. I'll take care of you. As long as it looks like green money, I'll take it. So we'll figure out how to get you a shirt. Hats we're still working on, so if you want hats, you have to wait. Same for stickers. We'll see how that goes. Anyway, that's about it. I don't know what else going on. So, supposed to be working on real shit back there. Alright, so that's it for me. So, do I look tired yet? Nah, it's only 3:30. Not like it's late or anything. Alright, we'll catch you next time. So, that's it. If you want shirts, go to tatromachine.com and have at it. I'll get them out in a couple days or within a couple days. Anyway, that's it for now. See you later.